Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily clone a card on your Bitwarden desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the cards right here. And as you guys can see, we have the button to clone it right here at the bottom. Or we can right click the card and then click on clone. As you guys can see, the name will be the same. It will just add a clone at the end. Now here we can change the folder for the clone. And here we can change the number. We can add the brand. And now we can click on save. As you guys can see, here we have two cards now. And they are both in the different folders. So here we have the clone. And here we have the normal one. So that's how you guys can easily clone a card. If you want to delete it, then simply click on it, click here and send it to the bin. Now in the bin, go over and delete it permanently. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.